Welcome to my channel. Click to subscribe for more videos. Clinton and Ryan did not know each other then, and they barely have a personal rapport now. When they served together on Capitol Hill, they did not collaborate. They have crossed paths only a few times, in perfunctory meetings while she was Secretary of State. Clinton, 68, and Ryan, 47, also have no apparent social ties, although they do share a book agent, Washington super lawyer Robert Barnett. This year's melodrama of a campaign has provided a window into the uneasy Trump-Ryan relationship, which appeared to reach its breaking point this week. What's less clear is what a Clinton-Ryan relationship would look like. To assume Washington is going to work next year is to assume she's not Clinton and he's not Ryan, said former House Speaker Newt Gingrich, RGA, who has been advising presidential candidate Donald Trump and had made legislative pacts with Bill Clinton on issues such as welfare reform and spending. Thanks for staying with us. Subscribe my channel.